In this video, I will guide you how you can make a blogging website on Wix. So first of all, to get started, you just need to click on get started, or if you already have an account, simply log in with your email and password. This will gonna take few minutes if you are making a new account. So after you have set up your account, you will be asked a question whether you want to build your website with AI or you can set up without AI. So for now we are going for a blog website. We don't gonna need much help of the AI, but if you want to go with it, it's all right. But then you just need to search for blog in your type of website that you want to create. Now you have many options like life blog, technology blog, all of the blog categories that you can start. So let's go with the life blog as an example and click on the continue button. Now this will gonna take few seconds to load up my main dashboard, and this is how it will gonna look like. So let's start by naming our website. So after naming your website, click on the continue button, and this will gonna show us what are your goals for this site. Either you want to sell products, you want to collect leads, or you want to build your community. So you need to follow along with these options. Make sure that these options are selected according to your interest, and then at the end choose the app that you would like to add, like Instagram feed and blog. So blog is very important in order to write posts to drive traffic and share your ideas. I recommend you to go for it, and then click on the continue, then click on continue to dashboard. Now we can start by designing our blog website. So you can also connect a custom domain, but this is for the paid version. Otherwise, click on the design side on the top right corner of your screen, and then you will have two options. Either you can generate a design with AI or you can customize a particular template. So I recommend you to go with the template, but if you have something in your mind which is very unique other than using templates, I recommend you to go with the AI then. Otherwise, if you just want a normal good looking website, simply go with the templates. Now this is how the templates will gonna look like. We have many categories like news blog, we have personal blogs. So I recommend you to again go with the template that is aligning with your interest. Now as for now, I will gonna go with travel blog. So I will simply click on the edit, and this will gonna take me to my Wix editor, where you can customize each and everything according to your will. So once you are on this page, as you can see, the website will gonna look like this, and we have all of our options that we can use to enhance and customize our website. So for now, let's just preview our website how it will gonna look like. So as you can see, we have our main header on the top of our screen, then we have our main picture, and then if I scroll down, we have kind of like a portfolio, and then we have some featured brands as well, and at the end we have our Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter or social media bar, and then we have our images. I guess these images are from the Instagram as well. Otherwise, at the end we have the about me page. Now let's start by clicking on back to the editor on the top right, and let's start by adding our image. So if you don't like the image, you can simply click on the image and then click on the change background. This is where you can choose either you want to go with color, image. You can also go with your own video. So as for now, I will simply go for this particular image. So after choosing the image, next thing we can adjust our text. You can again take the help of AI if you don't want to do all the work by yourself. I also recommend you to write the paragraphs like this little one with the help of AI. This will gonna save a lot of time and it's more efficient. In order to change the text, click on the edit text, add your particular text that you want to go with. You can also change the font according to your will, but I recommend you to go with the font that is much more suitable with the website or your niche. Let's say if you are in a gaming niche, make sure to select a font that is much more bold and engaging. So all of that stuff, you need to keep that in mind. These are some basic techniques that comes in handy when you are designing a website. Now, as for the sections, if you want to add another section, you need to click on the add section, and you have many options right in this place. Now, in my case, I want to add this particular section, so click on it and this will show up right in this particular place, which I can again change the image or change the text according to my will. Or let's say you are a agency that book orders or all of that stuff, so you can adjust it accordingly by clicking on the button and go with book now or something like that. All right, so these are the few basic things. Again, if you want to remove any kind of section, you need to simply click on the three dots and you can simply delete them. So that's the way of how you can create a blog website on Wix.